What is CNC turning? CNC turning is a machining process that uses a stationary cutting tool to shape rotating material. CNC turning uses a computer-controlled lathe to rotate the workpiece, while a cutting tool shapes it with high precision, such as grooves, taper, threads, etc. How CNC turning works. CNC turning converts a CAD design into G-code, guiding the machine to shape the workpiece with precise tool movements. What types of CNC turning operations are there? Turning shapes the outer diameter to a desired profile. Taper turning gradually reduces the diameter along the length. Threading carves spiral threads using precise helical paths. Grooving cuts narrow channels with precise width and depth. Drilling creates cylindrical holes. Boring enlarges pre-existing holes for tighter tolerances. Reaming finishes holes for ultra-precise dimensions. What is the difference between turning and milling? Turning, the workpiece spins, the cutting tool moves linearly. Milling, the cutting tool rotates and moves across a stationary workpiece. What materials are suitable for CNC turning? Metals, aluminum, brass, copper, steel, titanium. Plastics, ABS, nylon, PEEK, PVC, PP. Others, wood, wax, composite polymers. CNC turning is essential in precision manufacturing, delivering high tolerance, repeatable parts, especially cylindrical components, for aerospace, medical, automotive, and general machining. Whether producing threads, tapers, or gear shafts, 1T Turning Center Series and CNC Lathe Series provide the performance and versatility modern industry demands. If you don't know how to choose, you can contact us at WMT CNC. We will provide you with a solution based on your needs.